How do graveyard orbits help manage space debris? Have you ever wondered what happens to satellites when they reach the end of their operational life? One effective solution is the use of graveyard orbits. These specialized orbits are designed to safely dispose of defunct satellites, especially those in geostationary orbit. Graveyard orbits are located well above the operational paths of active satellites. For satellites in geostationary orbit, which sit around 36,000 kilometers above Earth, moving them to a graveyard orbit is often the best option. This is because deorbiting them to burn up in the atmosphere requires a significant amount of fuel, which is not practical. Instead, operators maneuver these inactive satellites into graveyard orbits, typically 300 to 400 kilometers above the geostationary belt. This relocation is essential for keeping the geostationary orbit clear for active satellites. By doing this, the risk of collisions and fragmentation events that can create new space debris is greatly reduced. Graveyard orbits serve as stable resting places for defunct satellites. This minimizes interference with operational spacecraft, allowing them to function without the threat of collision. The practice of moving satellites to these orbits is part of broader strategies to manage space debris. In addition to relocating satellites, operators also implement measures like passivation. This process involves disabling any remaining energy sources on satellites to prevent explosions. For satellites in lower orbits, controlled re-entry is another method used to safely dispose of them. By utilizing graveyard orbits, space operators comply with international guidelines aimed at preserving the orbital environment. This practice ensures that space remains sustainable for future generations. It is also a cost-effective solution compared to controlled re-entry for high-altitude satellites. Maintaining the safety and functionality of critical orbital regions, such as the geostationary belt, is vital. Graveyard orbits play a key role in this effort, helping to manage space debris effectively. By relocating defunct satellites, we can keep our space environment cleaner and safer for all active missions.